Welcome back. Goa government has notified amendment in Zilla panchayat rules. The ordinance has been sent to the governor, however she is yet to sign the ordinance. Meanwhile, South Goa Zilla panchayat held its last meeting of current term. Chairperson Nelly Rodriguez demanded that ZP should be scrapped if government cannot give powers to Zilla panchayat. She said assembly seats should be increased to 60 instead of 40 by scrapping Zilla panchayat. ZP members have opposed conducting ZP election on party lines.
First took a resolution that opposing the elections on party lines, and जो तरी आमकां हे मुझे 3 tenure आमचो इता and जोगरोन 5 सुबे जे कितें मेळ्ळा आमकां हे पार्टी पूण जे आयटम्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रमाणे शेड्यूल प्रमाणे आमकां पावर्स दिवपा ते सरकारान अजून दिना जाल्यार तेमी जिल्ला either they scrap Zilla because wasting funds and giving no functionaries is of no use. Having 50 Zillas, they can increase the assembly seats by 20. So 40 are there, 60 coaches.
Meanwhile, government has notified amendment in Zilla panchayat rules. The ordinance has also been sent to the governor Mridula Sinha. She is yet to sign the ordinance. South Goa Zilla panchayat held its last meeting in the current year. Several resolutions were passed at the meet. ZP members have demanded 33% reservation for women in the state assembly. Members opposed the ZP election on party lines.
सरकारान जाता जाल्यार ऑर्डिनन्स काडची आता स्पेशल आणि आमचो जो जिल्हा पावर आसा तो आयज रायटफुली दिवचो बिफोर गोईंग इलेक्शन कारण तो पार्टी नेचरान तेणी इलेक्शन करून सगळ्यांक आमी चॉक करून दवरला आनी मुखार आज जे पळय फ्रिडमान जितून ह्या 3 टर्मांक जे जिल्हा मेंबर फ्रिडम घेवन उलयताले जे कोणच्या इश्यूआचेर ह्या जिल्ह्यांत उलयताले हेजे मुखार तुका जिल्हा मेंबर उलोवपाक मेळपाना कारण तेमकां सामकें भरोसो पडटले.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with Savio Dias for Prudent.
Total 5 cases of swine flu are reported in state, out of which 1 is dead. The person died at private hospital in Madgaon. The patient had travelled to Goa from Hong Kong. Rest 4 are out of danger and will be discharged soon. Family members and friends of patient have passed the medical check and their reports are negative.
While he was on a ventilator, he was on a ventilator support, he was critical. He was admitted in the ICU of Apollo Victors, and yesterday the patient is expired. So every day basis I was in contact with the doctors who were treating the patient. The patient was not doing well. He was critical, he was going down, although he was on ventilator. The reason is, first of all, he had travelled from Hong Kong. The treatment was given, the full treatment for antiviral treatment was given to him. But then he had a comorbid condition, that is diabetes. So, as even said in 2009-10 during the pandemic of influenza, that people who will have swine flu with comorbid conditions, okay, will be more prone for complications, and might be that is the reason why he has gone into complication. Yeah, total of 5 were positive for Goa. Okay, initially there were 2, and then later we got 3 more. All these 5 cases are not connected to each other, so that's why we are right now taking it that all these 5 cases are isolated cases. Okay, because if there was a connection between all these cases, then we could have said that like its transmission is going on, but it's not. So these are more of isolated cases, and all other 4 cases have been completely treated. They are asymptomatic, they are cured. His family as well as the treating doctors and other staffs of the hospital, we have already asked them to take precautions, and we have asked them to get treated if at all they find any symptoms. So altogether, out of these 5 patients, we have treated around 27 contacts of all these patients. Okay. Contacts in the sense like somebody who is very close to them, relatives, okay, family relatives, or might be the treating physician or a doctor, nurses or other paramedical workers. If these people see any of the flu-like symptoms in them within a week's time or so, then we treat them with the full course of antiviral medicine.
Petrol and diesel prices have been slashed. Petrol has been cut by 2 rupees 42 paise per litre and diesel is down by 2 rupees 25 paise. The revised prices will be enforced from midnight. This is the 10th consecutive fall in petrol prices and in last 7 months and the 5th for diesel since its regulation in October. The petrol prices have almost touched 51 rupees a litre now. We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.